Hi guys, Frances here, and today I'm joined by a very special guest, Stephanie Jinx.
Hi everybody.
So we're here to tell you all about our latest limited edition box called Welcome to Wellness. And we have Stephanie here today because she is immersed in the wellness industry, and she's going to talk a little bit about her company, Kind of Mind. So do you want to tell us a little bit about yourself and also what you do with Kind of Mind?
Yeah, so I'm Stephanie Jinx. I'm the founder of Kind of Mind. So Kind of Mind run wellness events across Melbourne. So we do some at this location at Lawson Lodge Country Estate and also all around Melbourne.
Yeah.
Majority of our events really include, we really try to focus on nutrition and focus on mindfulness and meditation, and then each event usually has a specific theme that we like to focus on. So whether it's hormones or gut health or anything that we really think it's important to educate our guests on.
That's a really great offering because I think that wellness has become such a I guess talked about word, and some would say trending, but it is definitely something that's here to stay. So why do you think focusing on wellness is so important in our day and age?
So Kind of Mind like to focus on what we call like holistic health. So every aspect of health, from mental health to physical health. And I guess in this day and age, our lives are so busy.
Yeah.
Everyone's on the go
stressed
constantly.
Yes.
So this type of lifestyle actually has a bit of a detrimental effect on us. So I think wellness is really starting to make such a prominence in the everyday conversations we have, just because everyone is starting to feel it. So so Kind of Mind's events really work well in with this Bellabox because part of it is that we really want you to realize that it's
important to take care of yourself.
So we really want you to take the time to, I guess, be more mindful of the fact that you do need to look after yourself, and otherwise you can't really be as productive at work. And if you are looking after somebody, kids or family, you can't really do those jobs properly if we don't look after ourselves first.
So I guess that is a good lead into what our box is all about. So it is called Welcome to Wellness, and this is the lid here just to give you guys a little indication of how big the box is. So it's massive. We have 20 products inside, and they all have to do with taking care of yourself, like we said. So here inside the lid, you will see there's a little quote that says, "Fall in love with taking care of yourself, mind, body, and spirit." And it really encapsulates what all of the products in this box is about. So there's beauty, there's lifestyle, there's even some yummy treats. So I guess without further ado, we will get into what we have.
Perfect. So I'll start with our first product, which is the Covered Clean Pillow Slips. So basically, we've all heard about the bacteria that can build up on our pillowcases, and so Covered have solved that problem for us. So this pillowcase is biodegradable. You can have it on over your pillowcase for up to 5 days, and it has it's been infused with botanical oils so that it can help clear your skin at the same time and keep it clean, as well as having these essential oils that are really good for rest and sleep. So it's got eucalyptus and chamomile, lemon, and these are just really good oils that can help you rest.
Yeah, and get to sleep. And you think you said
Yeah.
lavender as well, which I love the scent of lavender when I'm trying to like calm down. So
So I actually have it on my pillowcase at the moment, and I'm a big fan of it.
Yeah, and it's a real treat when you do go to sleep, so you look forward to it.
Yeah.
Great, so the next product that I have here for you guys is the, it's by a brand called The Knicker. So they've just recently launched, and it is these seamless underwear. So there's 2 styles available. The first one that I have here is the G-string, and then there's also a hipster. So these are great because they're not gonna show under your activewear. So obviously when you're wearing tights, you don't wanna show any panty lines. So these are also really comfortable, and they're not gonna cause any ride up. So you can just, you'll wear them and you'll forget about them. You won't have any issues while you're working out. So
yeah, they're super comfortable. So they're really awesome.
Yeah, they're really great. Yeah. And I think I forgot to mention that you guys will get to choose your size. So we have size 8 to 14 available, and you get to choose your size and your style. So yeah,
that's awesome. The next product that I have is a beautiful card range
greeting card.
So they all focus around being thankful and being grateful. So I personally love giving cards, and I feel like you can really give and say a lot in a card that can make someone feel really appreciated.
Yeah.
So I think it's a great addition to this wellness box because you can make somebody else's day, and they can get a little bit of happiness out of it. And they usually, like, they look so beautiful. You can pop them in a frame or just have it out there so you can have a read and remember.
Keep it at your desk and remind yourself. Yeah. So they're great because I think sometimes we forget the people closest to us to tell them how much they mean to us. So showing gratitude and just reminding, I guess, other people of how much they mean to you is really important. Yeah. So the next product that I have here is another lifestyle edition, and it is from Tiny and I, and it is a gorgeous hair wrap towel. So these are made from microfiber material. They come in 2 colors. So there's the blush pink or there's a chocolate gray, and you pop them on after the shower when your hair's wet. They have little instructions at the back of how to use it. And it's just going to help your hair dry really quickly and get it out of the way so it's not like just hanging and soaking the rest of you all wet. So yeah, great little addition there.
So the next product is one of my favorites. It's really good for those people that exercise a lot. So I do a lot of different types of exercise. I run and I go to the gym, and this mascara is by Clinique. So Clinique Fit, and it is a 24-hour smudge-free mascara. So it's volumizing, so it can make you have extra long lashes. I've got it on today.
And they look gorgeous, they do.
And it is sweat resistant, and it's also humidity resistant. So really good for the summer and when you want to go out for any type of exercise. It's perfect for that as well. So it's been allergy tested too. So anyone that's really sensitive, it's really perfect for that.
I personally love that mascara as well. And even when I'm not working out, just because it has that tubular formula, so it's really easy to take off at night. And the wand on it is quite thin. So I feel like you can really get to the roots of your lashes as well. So.
It's really easy to apply.
Yeah, so even if you're not working out, it's a great mascara in general, but yeah. Cool, so the next product that I have here is from Cosmetic, and it is their Beauty Sleep Skin Regenerating Tablets. So I personally have used Cosmetic for years, their normal tablets, and it's really great for helping with your skin from within. So this one is sort of, I guess, a new approach to beauty sleep because you take it before you go to sleep, and it helps overnight just with that skin regeneration, and you're gonna wake up with glowing skin, and yeah, just incorporating that into your lifestyle is really gonna allow you to see a change in your overall appearance of your skin. So,
it's obviously sleep is really important for what happens with your skin, and I think I really like the fact that it's working from the inside out, as we all know that when we have a bit of gut issues or anything going on, it can come out in our skin.
It definitely affects your skin.
This is a really good product for that. Yeah, so my next product is Bondi Wash Hand Wash. So this beautifully scented wash is all natural, and it uses the finest ingredients within Australia, and Australian native oils are really good for antibacterial properties. So I think it's a perfect one to have out to impress the guests, and it also leaves your hands really, really soft and smelling lovely.
Yeah,
it's a really,
and it
nice product.
It looks really nice as well. It looks quite like, so yeah, like you said, putting it out in your guest bathroom, it's a real nice treat.
Non-toxic.
Yeah. Great, so the next product that I have is a cosmetic item from Eye of Horus, and it is their Smoky Black Pencil. So it is, as you can see, a kohl eyeliner. It is super creamy and jet black. It is really great if you want to create a smoky eye look, or just line the top of your lashes as well, just to get, I guess, a bit more of a dramatic look to your eyes. And once again, it's suitable for people who usually have sensitive eyes because there's no nasties. And then I think there's moringa oil in there as well, which helps to make it really creamy and to make it apply really easily. So
yeah, the sensitive is being sensitive really good for the so your eyes don't water.
Yes.
Well, I find a lot of eyeliners can make my eyes water.
Makes your eyes water, and itchy as well throughout the day. So this one you can just put it on and you won't. You'll forget about it,
The next product I think is a big hit. I actually got my mum to use this one, and mum absolutely loved it. She raved and raved about it. So this is the Biora self-heating 1 minute mask, and it's actually made of charcoal as well.
It's quite a mouthful, that.
Sorry. So basically, once you apply this to your skin, it literally heats up on your face. And I think the charcoal properties are really good because it really gets into the deep pores and it cleans out that bacteria. I have really sensitive skin, and this worked really well on me. It didn't create any redness, I didn't get any itching, and it's actually designed to keep the the moisture level as is, so it doesn't dry your skin out. So charcoal can be quite drying sometimes, but this product is really, really lovely. It's only for 1 minute, so obviously in this busy day and age, it's hard to get in and go to facials, or you know, some of the masks we can use you know, you might have to go into your face for 15 to 20 minutes. So nice quick fix with this one, and it's really nice.
I'm definitely gonna go home and try that one tonight. Awesome. It sounds great. So the next one that I have here is another skincare edition from Amperna, and it is their Ultra Gentle Soothing Cleanser. So Amperna is a really gorgeous brand because what they do is they make products with active ingredients that are suitable for people with sensitive or reactive skin. So they have a probiotic complex in their products, and they also have some really great vitamins. So vitamins A, vitamins E, there's quite a few different ones in there. And what they do is they really help with the regenerative process of healing your skin. So yeah, a really great cleanser, and they have a full line of skincare, and they all have the same sort of probiotic complex in them. So yeah, really great for people who usually struggle to find skincare that works for them and doesn't irritate their skin. Yeah,
it's a really good product for anyone with sensitive skin.
Yeah.
So. The next product I really think is a really good addition to this wellness box. It does say all things wellness. So this is Avodia Epsom magnesium bath crystals. So this is really good for anyone that has sore muscles or exercises regularly, or even is just a little bit stressed. So it's got essential oils in it as well. So for that scent as well, you know, any aroma can help relax us. But the actual magnesium is really good for relaxing the muscles. So perfect. So kind of my love products like this, because it's an excuse for you to go home and have time out for yourself, have a bath, really enjoy the aroma. And I think, you know, when you do exercises like this and different things in the bath, it can get you thinking about, I really need to do these things more often. So this sort of product is perfect for really starting to get your mind thinking about what I need to do for me.
And so while you are having a bath and pampering yourself, my next product will really come in handy. And it is from Unique One by Revlon. It is this really gorgeous hair mask with 10 properties. So it's not just a one-trick pony, it has 10 different benefits to it. I won't go through them all because then we will be here for a while, but it's all on the packaging. It's really great for hydrating your hair, leaving you with really smooth locks, and taking away frizz. So can't wait to see what you guys think about this one.
All right, so the next product is this really awesome, it's by La Roche-Posay. It is a sunscreen in oil formula. So it's actually UVA and UVB sunscreen, which is designed to protect your skin while also nourishing it. It's got heaps of properties, and it's really it's 50 SPF, which is what we all think we should use these days, especially with our sun in Australia. But also it's 2-hour water resistant. It is hypoallergenic, so anyone that again has sensitive skin. And it's absorbed really nicely into the skin. So it's actually designed to be
it's really nourishing on your skin, so it's not going to be tacky or sticky like you would expect an oil to be, but it's just going to soak in really well and give you that protection.
There's no color as well, so it just comes out nice.
Yeah, it's not
kind of
white.
Like moisture.
Like sometimes if you use zinc, you know how you have that thick white layer. It's not like that. So the next product that I have is one of my absolute favorites from this box. It is by Mitchum, and it's their Clinical Gel Deodorant. So as the name would suggest, it is a gel, and it's a roll-on as well, and it's really great because it's just going to keep you fresh. It doesn't have any artificial scents either, so it's really nice, and it has no white mask. So I think
it's really important.
You wanted to say that on your clothes. It's not going to stain your clothes. It's just gonna, you pop it on and you literally forget about it because it just keeps you feeling fresh and you don't have to worry about it.
Yeah, it's a really good one. I've worn it to the gym and in situations where I'm quite sweaty
out there,
and I can guarantee it does work, and it leaves a really nice smell. It doesn't have any, it's fragrance free. But
it's a great addition. What else do you have for us?
The next one I have is this Neon & Co body polish. So this is a super granular body polish. So it's really good for getting rid of that dry, flaky skin, any dull skin. It can really give you that glow, and it smells delicious. So it's got a whole bunch of other ingredients in it that can smell really nice, but also moisten your skin at the same time. So it's got some shea butter, some cucumber. It's got some macadamia oil, which is really good for moisturizing. Yeah, so it's a really beautiful product, and again, it smells delicious.
Yeah, it sounds like a really good one, especially heading into springtime.
Yeah, getting ready for your legs and your arms. You probably haven't seen the sun for a while.
Yeah, I think I'm going to have to use that right before I get my skin out. So the next product that I have is from the Australian Natural Soap Company, and it is this solid shampoo bar. So it has a really gorgeous, fresh, lemony scent, and it is a bar rather than I guess a liquid like a normal shampoo would be. So what you do is you wet your hair and then you rub it in, and it lathers up really well. And once you wash it out, your scalp is left so smooth. Like, it has this really fresh feeling scent. And I guess also, if you're trying to be a bit more mindful of the packaging that you use in product and your waste, this one obviously is wrapped in recyclable paper, so you're not going to have any plastic with this little baby.
Yeah, really good for you and for the environment.
Yes, that's true.
Which is really important.
Yeah.
So our next product is Food for Health fruit-free bar. So this product is full of ingredients that are fructose friendly. It's gluten-free, really good for anyone that has a bit of a sensitive gut that can't really digest oats, and muesli bars these days have a lot of sugar in them. So this is refined sugar-free. It uses rice malt syrup, and it's got, we all know that we love coffee, so it's got coffee and cacao, and it's a really delicious bar that you can just have on in your handbag. Snack.
So that would be great for people who follow a FODMAP friendly diet, right?
Yeah. So anyone that follows FODMAP friendly, it doesn't have any fructose in it. So fructose and gluten free.
Yeah, and it tastes really yummy too. So great. The next one that I have is another treat. It is from Well Naturally, and is their no sugar added chocolate bar. So this one actually really does taste like chocolate, and it has no sugar because it is naturally sweetened with stevia. So there are a few different flavors available. This one is sweet raspberry, there is a mint one and a coconut one, and a few different ones as well. So you'll receive either one of those, but they're all really delicious.
They're all really yummy.
Yeah,
stevia is a really good sweetener to add in. So it's really good for anyone that's diabetic as well, that can't actually have that that sugar hit, so it's perfect for that. You still get your chocolate.
Yes, chocolate fix, which we all need from time to time.
And my last product is this foodie free Inca berry orb. So this protein ball, it's a really good product. So when you get that 3:30itis and you're a little bit hungry and you kind of go for the sweets that you shouldn't really be eating, this one's really perfect because the actual Inca berry, so Inca berry is really high in antioxidants. We've all heard of goji berry, but this superfood is actually higher in antioxidants than goji berries. It's perfect for so that 3:30itis. It does have some soluble fiber in it, which means that it can help you with your appetite control. So the flavors, it's got a bit of a really chocolatey flavor, but the Inca berry adds in this little tart little hit at the end, and it's really nice,
really delicious
together.
Really nice treat. So the last product that I have, and another little treat, is from Craisins, and it is their original dried cranberries. So these are obviously just dried cranberries, which you can snack on, but you can also add them to your breakfast in the morning, add them to a salad at lunchtime. There's so many possibilities. When you're baking, you can use them. So yeah, another little gorgeous addition. So that wraps up all 20 products in our Welcome to Wellness box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you to Stephanie for being here. So we will link Kind of Mind in the caption as well, so you guys can go and follow Stephanie and maybe go to one of her events as well, which is very exciting. So as you guys will have seen, there's so much in this box, $250 worth of value for $69.95. So definitely jump on, buy one for yourself, or
I think it's a really nice gift gesture. So if you know anybody that's a bit stressed, a bit burnt out, this is a really nice gesture to, one, let them know that you're aware and you're caring for them, but also just that they can take some time up for themselves, and they're kind of forced into looking after themselves, which is what we
all should be doing. Great. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.
Bye.